In this video, I'm going to show you how you can compress your PDF file online. So here we just have an example PDF from Hostinger, and if we just take a look at said PDF, we can right click on it, and if we go to properties, you can see that it is 3.17 megabytes, and we're going to compress this so it goes smaller. Here's how I would do it. We can do this online for free. So head over to Google, we can do this online, like I said, and then search for small PDF. And once you've done that, you can go ahead and click on the first one. It should be smallpdf.com. Now what we need to do, we need to click on the compress link. So go ahead and click on that. And then it will ask you to upload your files. You can either drag and drop them onto compress PDF or click choose files and select them. Since I've already got mine open, we're just going to drag it on here and it should then upload the file. So it's recognized that there is 3 megabytes. What we can do is we can compress it via their basic setting. We can click compress, and now it looks like they've converted it and compressed it to 2 megabytes, which is 45% smaller. We can then click download, and then we can download this compressed PDF file. So now here is the compressed one, which is now 1.75 megabytes, and the one before was 3.17. So we've compressed the file successfully, and that's how you do it online for free.